Bullish torrential slide. Avax cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $151.15 and $285.51 by 2030. Market examiners accept Avax could reach $117.56 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2023 is $26.87. Torrential slide. Avax presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that considers genuinely decentralized applications as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a feasible contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends in research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Avax. Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for shrewd agreements. While keeping up with versatility, it expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide. Avax essential examination. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its fundamental point is to make these exchanges safer, proficient, and available to everybody. The torrential slide network is based on 3 support points: security, soundness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advancements, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up to this point, the stage has been exceptionally fruitful in drawing in clients and engineers. Truth be told, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages, with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its savvy contracts. There are a few justifications for why torrential slide could be a wise speculation. First, the group behind the undertaking is extremely capable and has major areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually developing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, torrential slide's serious areas of strength has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and reliability. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the Combined Byzantine Understanding, FBA. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like verification of work, POW, and evidence of stake, POS. Torrential slide likewise has a special component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can modify its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the standards of the whole organization. Torrential slide. Avax current value. Torrential slide is as of now worth $33.59 United States dollars. Avax has moved 4.87% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $953,775,696. Torrential slide is right now position 10 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $10,261,304,514 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide, Avax, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant torrential slide, Avax market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Torrential slide, Avax value forecast 2023. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, Avax. The Avax cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $50.38. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $47.02 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $40.31. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2024 out of 2024, torrential slide Avax cost expectation, has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $83.97. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Avax's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $67.18 and a typical exchanging cost of $73.90. Torrential slide, Avax, value forecast 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $117.56 and Avax might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Avax is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $107.48 and a low of $100.77 in 2025. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2026, assuming that torrential slide effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2026. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $151.15, with a base cost of $134.36 and a typical cost of $141.07. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2027, after some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $174.66 by 2027, with a base cost of $167.94 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Avax has a greatest value worth of $184.74. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $208.25. In the event that Avax figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $218.33. Neglecting to assemble the help Avax needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $201.53. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2029, while Avax is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $235.12.